to an unboxing on the 458. So can you see the tank? And it's a tank! We already unboxed it, so yeah, but it's a pretty new tank. We just replaced the batteries in. So see?
Follow me!
Warp tank! These are really nice tank here. Anyone want to see something? Go.
Bravo 2-9er, over! Bravo 2-9er, over! We're taking fire! We need air support now! Roger, Bravo 2-9er, this is Charlie 3-6. We'll go. Air support is on the way.
Just moving on. Okay. So. Yeah, but we did throw the box away, so yeah. And it's a pretty nice tank. What's the backwards motion?
Follow me!
Why is this phone lagging so much? I do not know. Okay, we're heading to the kitchen, guys. So because I think this one moves fast. Yeah. Okay, I think this will be the best one. It goes back, guys. It goes back. Like that tank. This ain't.
Follow me!
Wow. Pretty nice, guys.
Follow me!
Let's go back. Let's move it all the way back. Let's see if this. We're gonna need it.
Follow me!
Ooh, these are sticky tires, so they do stick. Let's go back. Should we go back?
Follow me!
Let's go back, guys.
Follow me! Bravo 2-9er, over! We're taking fire! We need air support now! Roger, Bravo 2-9er, this is Charlie 3-6. We'll go. Air support is on the way.
But